What's up, guys? Here with another short video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you could earn a part-time or full-time income on a site called Upwork. So I'm just going to do a quick review, if you will. Now, Upwork has been around for a very long time and is probably one of the grandparents of freelance working. Well, one of the sites. This site is probably one of the longest standing sites that freelancers have used for the past decade or so, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that. But Upwork and Fiverr are the two most popular ones. There are a ton of other sites that you could use, but Upwork has just been time tested and proven to work for thousands, hundreds of thousands of people. And I'm just going to share with you real quick how this website works. So when you log in, it's free to log in, by the way, or free to sign up. When you sign up, this will be your homepage. It says find work. So you can actually sift through jobs and you could save them. You could actually have made proposals, so you submit a proposal for a job. And everything else will be relevant once you've actually had stuff submitted. For example, my stats. If you haven't done any jobs yet, you wouldn't have any stats to view. So let's jump into this. So let's say you're brand spanking new. From this feed, you can see that jobs have been posted. The first one in my feed says 50K a month sales, Amazon dropshipper only, USA products. So that's the description. You can just click on that. The job opens. It says Amazon seller, central admin work, post listings from Home Depot, Walmart, Wayfair, etc. So they're looking for someone to do this. Need someone with experience in getting sales for dropshipping. So they're looking for someone to run their dropshipping store, it seems. So the jobs will be product sourcing, product listing, product research, inventory management, add profitable products, add hot selling products, manage buyer messages, manage product return or refund, complete management of the seller central portal, and manage the whole account from ordering to shipping, buyer message to refund. Right? So you'll be running the whole store pretty much. So if this is up your alley, what you would do is you would wait one sec. It actually okay. This is there. By the way, if the seller has posted previous jobs, you will see it in their recent history. So they've posted 2 jobs before, and the freelancer who worked on this particular job, the second one, his name is Jeffrey W, and he's been working 18 hours at $200 an hour and has made $3,533. So in 18 hours, this person, based on this type of job, was able to earn $200 an hour. I kid you not. So Upwork is obviously very lucrative, right? Right. So what you'll notice here is you can either save the job to go back to it and look at it again. You could submit a proposal. You could open it in a new window so that you can either have this feed here as something to refer to, and you could have that job opened in a different window. But what you'll notice here is it says available connects. A connect is basically a point system that you use to purchase things. It's like having money. So this particular job requires 6 connects to submit a proposal. So it's like applying for a job. So he posts the job, you will submit a proposal, and it costs a certain number of connects to submit a proposal to that particular job. So if I went and clicked submit proposal, this one actually costs 6 connects. If I were to propose or apply for this job, I would have 44 connects remaining. Right? So this person is looking for an intermediate level. They want someone working 30 plus hours a week and more than 6 months. So if you get this, you would pretty much have a full-time job on your hands, and you'll be earning quite a bit of money. You would be earning money based on what you would actually talk about in your interview. Many of these jobs, you will have an interview. It could be via Skype, it could be via this platform. They just want to talk to you and have a sit down talk to see who they're working with, to see if you're a good fit, and you can see if they're a good fit as well. Okay, now what this does, it actually pencils out how much you will be earning. So here my site has my rate set at $30 an hour. If I charge $30 an hour, Upwork charges me a 20% service fee, so they would minus $6, and I would receive $24 per hour for this job. So factor that in whenever you're pricing whenever you're doing a proposal. Just factor that tax in, or service fee in, whenever you're trying to earn a certain amount of money. So they will ask for a cover letter. They'll ask, well, each person who proposes the job or posts the job will ask you to fill in these blanks. They will also ask you to, depending on who the seller is, they may ask different things. So just bear that in mind. Not every job posting is the same. So just bear that in mind when you're applying. They may ask you to attach examples of your work. So if it's a visual job, or say something on Excel, they may ask you to upload a file or an image or something that proves that you're capable of doing work for them that's acceptable. Right? So that's what this little section is, to upload or drag and drop your file here so that they can see what kind of work you're doing. This particular buyer wants to know what part of this project appeals to you. Why did you apply to this particular job? How can we make sure we do not get suspension? I guess when you upload certain products and stuff to a drop shipping site, you could actually get suspended based on what type of product it is and what the advertising guidelines are. What sites do you find products from for Amazon drop shipping? How can you get me to 50k sales a month? And like I said, a cover letter. Now, that's for that job. Like I said, there are people on here looking for random people to do so many different things. It's ridiculous. There's no way you can't find something to get paid to do. I kid you not. So let's just scroll through real quick. Data entry specialist, or data entry of special event venues in the US. So there will be events in the US, and they want someone to do data entry for those particular jobs. Right? Podcast assistant, writing, file management, emails. Hourly, $8 to $12. They want an intermediate level person. And if you're a beginner, there are many jobs on here for beginners, so don't worry. It's just that these specific jobs are asking for those people. There are many jobs that require beginner level status. And it doesn't matter, because if you can talk yourself into the job, then, you will get a whole lot of jobs pretty soon. There are many people on here who are professionals in their fields or intermediate in their fields, but because they've just signed up, they're signed up as a beginner. So bear that in mind as you're looking through. And you can actually set your profile to expert if you want to. So that's not a problem. But just know that if you set your profile to expert, make sure that you can deliver expert level work. Alright? Just saying. So Upwork is a great tool. Here we have someone that's looking for a pharmacy. Now someone is looking for people to find pharmacy drugs. So if you're in the pharmacy tech site, like a technician, pharmacy technician, or a pharmacist or whatever, you could do this as a side job. Data entry in Excel, they're charging $3 to $5. Virtual summit assistant, load more jobs. And this is payment verified. You could actually look at the buyer and you could see that they've spent $20,000, so they're pretty legit. They're not going to take the job and not pay you, right? This person is looking for a jack of all trades to work as a VA. In here there's a description. Long description. You could read through that. So I mean, there's a lot of jobs, and if you're looking for something specific, you could search for jobs. You could, let's say, wake up call. Wake up call. Okay. Let's be adventurous here and see what comes up. Oh, cold calling. Wake up phone app creation. So if you're a app developer or programmer, here's a budget. They're paying $200 to create an app that wakes people up. And there's a whole lot of science surrounding how people wake up if they jump out of their sleep versus slowly waking up. There's a whole lot of stuff. So there's something. Get me up in the morning. Make sure I complete my workout and prepare for my day. So here's a person who wants someone for 1 to 3 months, 10 to 30 hours a week, to wake them up, make sure they follow their routine in the mornings, and prepare for their day. And it's that simple. I kid you not. There are jobs here that people would not think people would want to pay money to do. And here are people paying people to wake them up in the mornings and make sure they do what they're supposed to do. I can't. Upwork is awesome. Okay? So, you can earn a part-time income. You could earn $2,000. You could earn $4,000. Depending on what you do, you could earn $50,000 a month. But the opportunities are endless on Upwork. There are full-time jobs. There are part-time jobs. There are jobs that once you get the task done, that's it. You name it, you can find it on Upwork. Like I said, it's one of the biggest, oldest platforms on here where a lot of people trust. A lot of people come to Upwork to find people to just help them sort their lives and their businesses out. And you could be the solution to their problem, and you will be richly paid, as many have been on Upwork, to meet the demands of your own life. Now guys, this does require you to be doing things. Maybe depending on what service you're offering, you'd be sitting at your laptop every day, ordering stuff, emailing, yada yada yada, blah blah blah. And that's great. But wouldn't you rather buy back your time? The only people nowadays, what they're doing is going to work or going to their laptop to work, and they're exchanging their time for money. If you look at these jobs, it's 30 plus hours per week, and you're paid per hour, which means you're selling your time to earn money. If you are dying, or if a relative was dying, do you think the first thing on their mind would be, gosh, I should have spent more time at work? They would probably say they wish they spent more time with their family. They wish they spent more time doing things they loved. They wish they spent more time outdoors. They wish they spent more time living life. But money is an integral part of life, and you need money to purchase things, to pay for things, to get things done. But would you want to exchange your time for money, or would you rather just have money coming in automated so that you can take this money and have your time free and be able to do what you want to do with your time? The links below this video show you ways that you can accomplish that. Legit ways that people have done, that I have done, and actually seen earnings come in for me, that I'm able to pay for stuff. And the amount of work I put in was probably an hour or two per day, or an hour or two for every couple days. I was in control of my time. You can be too. Guys, click the link below. Check them out. If you don't like them, you don't like them. If you'd rather do Upwork, do Upwork. It's a great platform. But I really appreciate you stopping by and listening to what I had to share today, whatever time it is, wherever you are, whenever you're watching this. And guys, I wish you all the success. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you like the content I've shared tonight, hit the like button, subscribe, Share this video with someone who would like to have a job working from home. This is the Internet Income Ninja. I'll catch you guys next time.